Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about BioKey International, and we are going to discuss about the long-term trend and the levels one could see in this particular trend and the way we should analyze this trend. We are going to discuss all of this. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription bell and also hit on the notification bell to get notified for my upcoming videos. Now, first of all, as you can see here, that you have the trend available since 19, I think probably 1997. Yes, since then, if you can see or observe the trend, it's been down, okay, over a period of last 23 odd years. So one thing one need to understand, that this is a bear market chart, and in a bear market chart every rise is an opportunity to sell and not to accumulate. Okay, so there is a reason that the stock has been making lower lows over a period of such long time frame. Okay, so here you can see the different levels for this particular or in this particular script. So here you have the levels which one should be aware of. Starting with your support level, your first support level will come at 0.37, then you have your next support at 0.29. okay, and if the level breaks below 0.29, then you have your next support at 0.11. Then below 0.11 there is nothing. I don't think anything is left, because you can literally near to zero. On the upside you have your big resistance at 1.76. okay, 1.76, 1.82 dollars will merely be a bounce back, nothing else. Okay, and in case if the stock moves beyond 1.8 and sustain over there, because what will happen after 1.8, that the line which hasn't yet broken, okay, you can see this trend line, it's been intact for the last 20 odd years. So above 1.6, what one can expect here is a breakout, okay, above this line. So if it happens and if the stock stay above that level, above 1.8, then in that case, that is an exception which one could say. In that case, the levels which one can see on the upside will be 3.6, then you have 7.3, and finally you will have 9.78. So I'm not going to go beyond this range, because in this kind of trend it's very hard to think beyond a certain level, and when each and every rise is bound to face a selling pressure or a supply pressure. So in that case, what must know is their support level rather than the target or the resistance. But in case if it makes a move, so I have explained you the levels, be very cautious. And this kind of chart doesn't feel, if you feel that how far or what could be the lowest low beyond this level, okay, then you must think before putting your money in this particular stock. So be very cautious about what you are doing and why you are doing. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.